When Vasudeva, who was Ananda Tirtha, who was Madhva, he was initially studying a book called Ishta Siddhi. This book was by a Mayavadi philosopher called Vimuktatman. In that book, the foreword is like, I bow to that supreme absolute truth which is myself. I am bowing to myself. So Vasudeva, who later became Purna Prajna Tirtha, later on he became Ananda Tirtha when he became Mathadish, his sannyasa name was Purna Prajna Tirtha. So Purna Prajna Tirtha Mahashay or Sripad Purna Prajna Tirtha told that other sannyasi, so Sripad, if both of us are the supreme absolute truth and you are offering obeisance to the supreme truth, you should offer obeisance to me also. And why should I hear from you? You should hear from me because we are one and the same. There's no need. Obviously they say that for 1 week he didn't speak to him. Later on they settled everything. But the understanding we therefore have is the Bheda Bheda Prakasham Sakalam Api Hare Sadhanam Shuddha Bhaktim Sadhyam Tat Priti Metyattu Padasya Janan Gaurachandra Swayam Va. This is from Amnaya Sutra quoted by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He says that everything is Bheda Bheda. Jai Shri Lakshmi Narasimha Shri Prahlad Maharaj ki jai. Everything is simultaneously one and different from the Lord. The way to understand is Sadhanam Shuddha Bhaktim, pure devotion. And what is a Sadhyam? Sadhyam Tat Pritim, love of Supreme Lord. This is the purpose of life. Who has said this? Gaurachandra Swayamva, Supreme Lord himself. And that same Gaurachandra is telling Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya here that you see, please understand, there was some requirement for Parinamavada, but it was misunderstood and wrongly interpreted as Vivartavada. So it is an illusion by itself. It is Bhranti. It is an illusion. So we should be Brahmacharis, not Brahmacharis. That's the difference. Everybody has to follow Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya means we should follow the Brahman. And Brahmanohi Pratishtaham. Krishna is the basis of the impersonal Brahman. So we study Krishna, we'll be able to study Brahman, who is his energy. Bhaswan ethasma chakaleshu nijeshu tejaha. It is the effulgence of the body of the Lord. So we don't just study the body of the Lord, we study the Lord. We study his teachings, we study his devotees. And that's the way to break Mayavad, to study Srila Prabhupada books, study the Gita, distribute the Gita, because the Gita says, Brahmanohi Pratishtaham. And we study that shloka and tell people. We study in Jnana Yoga, chapter 14. 13 to 18 is Jnana Yoga. In chapter 14, Krishna says, Bhakti Yogena Sevate. Chapter 18, he says, Manmana Bhava Mad Bhakto. So what is Bhagavad Gita? It is Jnana or Bhakti? It's all Bhakti. And that therefore has to be understood. Srila Prabhupada ki